Hey loves, how are you babies doing? I am doing good. Long time no see. I miss you babes. I have not seen y'all in 2 months. I have been busy just with home and work and just all type of other stuff, but I am back and I'm so ready to show you guys so many new things I have came upon, and I just cannot wait to share with you vixens. Sparkly vixens, I miss y'all so much. I love you guys. Thank you for still sticking around with me and still being here. But my name is Pinup Savi Monroe. For the new subscribers, hello, how are you? My name is Pinup Savi Monroe. I do retro hauls, retro tutorials, vintage hauls, makeup tutorials. That is the niche on the channel, so please hit like and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you vixens can get more updates when I upload more videos. I promise vixens I will be more consistent with the uploading. I just had to get some things situated, but I am back. Everything is good now and I'm so ready to be able to prepare more content for you vixens. So yes, if you guys want to see this new video that I'm fin to show you guys of this loungewear I'm going to show you guys, please keep watching. Alright vixens, now this video is about Glamour Goals. I stumbled upon them on Instagram, and if you vixens don't know my Instagram, here is my Instagram. Please follow. I'm always updating on there. I'm consistently updating on there. Oh, and follow my TikTok too. I would love to see you vixens on my TikTok as well. But yes, I seen them on IG. I love their loungewear, and I was like, I have to get a set for myself. So I'm going to be showing you guys this loungewear. They are BBW friendly, so plus size pinups and ladies, plus size men, if that's what you guys like to wear. Check them out. They are called Glamour Goals. If you want to feel just vintage and retro and luxury. I love velvet. I don't have enough velvet in my wardrobe, but I needed this velvet lounge set. They also got some cute knit dresses that I am going to get as well. That is next on my list. But I just wanted to focus on the lounge set. So without further ado, let's get into this loungewear review. Alright vixens, so this is how the set look, the loungewear look. Now this is the robe right here. This is how the robe looks. Long sleeve, it has gold detailing, some gold detailing, and it has like, this robe I think is a little bit too small on me. I think I should have went a size up. I went a size down thinking that this robe will fit, but everything else fits pretty good. It's just the robe. But this is from my own review. I'm not getting paid off this. This is just my own input on it, but I like the robe. This is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks in the back. And that's how the robe looks. And then this is how the straps look. It's all velvet. So that's how that looks. And I like it. You know, it's something that you can wear around the house and lounge in. And I would advise us plus size dolls to get a bigger size. Don't size down, size up. But yeah, that is how the robe looks. Now I'm going to show you guys the negligee. Alright vixens, now this is how the negligee looks. It has gold detailing underneath the bust line and above the bust line, gold detail like on the corners. I should have wore a no strap bra, but it doesn't matter. But I wanted to show you guys just how it looks. This is how it looks in the front. It's very comfortable and it stretches. That's one thing I loved about Glamour Goals is just their line. Her line is all stretch material, no restricting material. Because if you're a plus size doll, you gotta have material that stretches. It cannot be restrictive. So this is how the front looks. This is the side. This is the back. And yeah, that's how it looks. Now this is a 1, 2, 3, 4-piece set. So that's the thing that I love. No, actually it's a 5-piece set. So this is 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I'm sorry y'all, 4-piece. This is a 4-piece set, but still. Oh, and if you guys are interested, it also comes in pink, red, black, and I think one more color. Is it pink, red, and black? Pink, red, black, and green. I think those are the 2 colors. No, pink, red, black, and blue. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. Want to make sure I give y'all the right info before y'all just go over there. But yeah, this is how the negligee looks, and I give this a 10. The robe, for me, I would say I would give it an 8, because it's my fault. I should have sized up, but I needed it to be kind of form-fitting, but yet comfortable, but still, size up. All right, Vixens, now this is the 2-piece lounge set. The pants set, it comes with the same type of gold, the gold detailing on top of the bra line and under the bust line. It's also very stretchy, so plus the size style friendly. I love the pants also. I gotta be kind of crazy with this glue, but if you guys can see it has like gold detail on the very bottom of the pants leg, so that's really good, and that's what I like. It's very stretchy. It is a size large, but it goes all the way up to extra large and I think 1X. So like I said, plus size dolls, plus size friendly, and it goes all the way to extra small. So smaller dolls, you guys can get the set too. This is how the front looks. I'm sorry I can't show you guys my full pants leg, but it does go over your knee and it's like above your ankle, so that's a good detail for you guys. But this is how the side looks. This is how the back. And this is the front. Yep, I'm not wearing no shapewear or nothing, it's just me, but it's some nice loungewear. And I highly recommend, and I think you guys should invest in a loungewear set. And if you're not feeling pink, they have other colors. They have blue, black, pink, and blue, black, pink, and red. So if you're not feeling pink, get other colors. But I like this. I like the set. Tell me what y'all Vixens think about it though. Alright, Vixens, so that is it. I hope you like this lounge set that I showed you guys. I highly recommend to invest in some loungewear, you know, when you're not in the house, but you still kind of want to be a little dressed up but comfortable. I highly recommend this set. I give this a 98%, and it's just because off of me. I also want to add that they do have a cute, her packaging is really cute. I do want to add that she has some very cute packaging. I want to show you guys the packaging real quick, so give me 1 second. This is how her packaging comes, like the little duster bag when you want to take it with you for like night trips or anything. This is how the bag looks. It's so cute, guys. Like I said, I like Glamour Goals, and it comes with these cute little cards. She sent me a couple of cards with pinup girls on it. So this is one of the cards, and then this is another one with some pinup girls. So I highly recommend. And yeah, if you guys are interested in this set, I will have all the links and everything you guys need in the description box below. And once again, thank you for watching and enjoying my content, and thank you for subscribing and supporting me. It means a lot to me. Please turn on the notification bell because you guys can get more updates when I upload more videos. And I love you, Sparkly Vixens, and I will see you Vixens again soon. Bye, dolls.